The Treasurer described the federal budget as one of the most important in a generation. This budget's designed to support households and businesses through our first recession in 30 years. Some of the key focus areas were sort of tax cuts, jobs, and helping households get through these difficult times. So the government's proposing to bring forward planned tax cuts by 2 years, which will see the top thresholds increased for the 19% and 32.5% tax brackets as at 1 July 2020. A new low income tax offset up to a maximum of $700 has also been brought forward to the 21 financial year, while the low and middle income tax offset with a maximum of $1,800 has been retained for another year. So what does that mean for members? This will see lower middle income earners receive tax relief of up to $2,745 for singles and up to $5,490 for dual income families compared to the 2018 tax year. That equates to around $50 a week. There's been a major focus on jobs. The government announced a JobMaker hiring credit where eligible employers will receive up to $200 a week if they hire an eligible employee aged between 16 to 29, or $100 a week for eligible employees aged between 30 and 35 for the next 12 months. There will be an alternative work test for paid parental leave, supporting those whose work has been interrupted by the COVID-19 pandemic. Normally, parents must have worked 10 of the past 13 months prior to the birth or adoption of a child, but that is being temporarily extended to 10 months out of the past 20 months, meaning more people are able to get the paid parental leave. The government will pay two $250 economic support payments to eligible income support recipients, such as those on age pension, carers, or those receiving family tax benefits, among others. The payments are expected to be made in December 2020 and March 21. It will be tax exempt and not count towards the income support for Social Security purposes. There will be an additional 10,000 places for first home buyers under the existing First Home Loan Deposit Scheme. That's a scheme where eligible first home buyers can obtain a loan for a new home or newly built home with a deposit of as little as 5%. From 1 July 2021, an existing super account will follow a member, or stapled, to avoid duplicate accounts when a member changes employers. A Your Super portal will be developed by the ATO so that employees will be able to select a MySuper product from a comparison table. There were many more measures announced, and each person's circumstances are unique, so if you need help understanding what the federal budget means for your individual situation, call 1300 658 776 to make an appointment with one of our financial advisors.